Hi there everyone, welcome to Adam Bede in Worksworth. My name is Ollie and today I'll be showing you around this Range Rover EVOQUE SE Tech. Now this car has been kept in great condition by the former keeper. Got good tyres on it and it's even had a timing chain replacement done in March 2025. Come with very little mileage for the age of the vehicle. Got fantastic boot space along with the electric tailgate. There's no dings, dents or scratches down the side of the vehicle. Good service history with the majority of it being done at Land Rover. Good brakes on it. We've got the all-important panoramic roof, privacy glass, and finished in the lovely Loire blue. I'll just jump on the inside and show you that. Here we are on the interior of the vehicle. All the seats are in great condition. There's no rips, tears or foul odours. As you can see, just over 69,000 miles. The rear seats, they look in great condition as well. You've got your all-important satellite navigation, heated front seats, air conditioning, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, 2 keys. And if you think that this is the car for you, please do feel free to get in touch with us on 01629 822 977 or drop us an email on info@adambede.co.uk. Finance and part exchange is available, as well as extended warranties, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you very much.